For anybody that's considering Haddads, they should have a comfort level that we're going to do everything that we can to make sure that they have a good experience using our equipment.
When people come to Haddads, what they're looking for is certainty. They're looking for good equipment. You have us at your beck and call 24 hours a day.
Whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., you could call us and you're going to get a person on the other line quickly.
We pride ourselves and want to set our standards above and beyond the expectations of what a lot of other people look at it.
Once a piece of equipment comes back to Haddads from production, we refer to that as the defining moment. We have a team of no less than 2 to 5 people go through that particular piece of equipment, be it a truck, trailer, water truck, fuel truck, honey wagon.
They use a 100-point checklist to make sure that every detail is covered.
We open every drawer, every aspect of that truck, trailer. A manager's there, present at the time. We have to make all decisions as to where it needs to go. Does it need body work? Does it need services? Is it going to need a state inspection? Is it going to need a federal DOT inspection for motor carrier?
Starting from top to bottom, front to back of the trailer, getting Jenny hours, seeing if the generator needs service, checking tire pressures.
We'll pull out every drawer, open every refrigerator, check every light.
The most important things are the safety items to make sure we don't have any issues. We check underneath, brake wires, axles, shocks, check all the outside lights, exterior lighting.
There's a road test of no less than 30 miles round trip to ensure that the piece of equipment arrives at location safe, sound, everything's in mechanical, good operating condition as it should be. There are no less than 15 sets of eyes that see this piece of equipment from check-in to prep to road test to end sign-off. We also have a rental department. They clean, they wash, they paint stake beds, whatever we need.
If anything fails, then we write it on the hit list.
The team that we have here comes from multiple backgrounds. We have our own standalone parts department. We all rely on each other because service is nothing without parts and parts can't exist without service. We have master plumbers, master carpenters, we have finished carpenters, which is a huge difference. Most of the people here have a very good welding background. We probably have 50, 60 years of experience doing mechanical repairs, engine overhauls, clutch installs. Most things we're able to handle in-house. We do everything from audio, visual, to AV equipment. Everybody here has a very, very strong electrical background. We deal with lift gates and 50 amps and 3-phase electrical theory for our base camp generators. So we really run the full gamut of anything and everything you need, from mechanic, fabrication, carpentry, plumbing.
As far as innovation goes, we're on the cutting edge. We have solar trailers that we offer in multiple different styles. Our battery system and charging system is superior to our competitors. They do not have a generator on them.
We're very hands-on with our equipment. We're always talking to our customers, doing on-site visits. It's all about that relationship.
We try to have a mechanic visit every set at least once every 1 to 2 weeks.
As soon as that customer opens that door, I want them to be blown away. I want them to know that just by that first look, that they're not going to find a better product out there.
We want them to know that they're getting a safe, quality piece of equipment that multiple people have checked over time and time again. We are there to get it right. There's so many fail-safes that we have within our equipment. We'll walk them through the troubleshooting process. And on the first day of filming, we send a mechanic. When we leave there, we know that everything was working as it should. If it wasn't, we make it so.
I think the advantage of choosing Haddads over our competitors is the level of care that we put into it. We have a fleet size to accommodate any job and any needs that they may have.
We have a 24-hour dispatch hotline. When you rent Haddads equipment, that's what you get with it. You will get a human being on the phone. You can rent equipment anywhere, but the equipment is only as good as the people standing behind it. The movie industry isn't 9 to 5, it's 24/7, 365, every day of the year. We have to be there as a backup to help them when they need it. That's the commitment to service that we continue to provide day in and day out. That's what we build a reputation on.